I'm having a few technical difficulties, so give me a couple more minutes. Sorry, y'all. Sorry, y'all. It worked! Give me I can all the way. Oops, misinput. I'm sorry. Hello? Uh-oh. Scam me now. That didn't work. Hold on. Hello. Hi, everyone. Hi. I don't know why your redeem didn't work, Pingo. Hold on. Scam me now. But I have everything toggled on. Hold on. Hello. Welcome. Hi, guys. Did you start the other thing? What other thing? Oh, I have everything open that's supposed to be open. Everything is how it's supposed to be, huh? Hi Julia, hi Tuna, hi Pingu, hi Jaghost, welcome Lambo, hi Ayu, welcome Paul, hi Kazer, welcome, hi Sana, hi Tree, hi Maria, welcome Duna. And logged in? Yeah, I'm logged in too. There was an update, which I haven't done yet, because I thought it wouldn't, like, matter. Because last time it worked too. It's a little weird. I wish I could use my own bits to test it, but I can't use them in my own channel. Kinda sucks. Gio, thanks so much for that bats. Welcome. Hi Gio. Hi. This is a bit of a bummer. Scam me now? No! Hold on, let's try to fix this. But yeah, a little bit of a plan change of plans. I was gonna do gaming today. I'm still gonna do it. Excuse me. but I really wanted to continue working on this. I was laying in bed yesterday like, man, I really want to keep drawing and I want to work on this a bit more. So I was like, why not just do it on stream? Let's be a little mischievous and do it on stream. What's not working? The TTLs. For some reason, it's not picking up at all. Hold on. Let's bring out the Yummy too. Hold on. Whoop. Let's do this. Wait, what? Oh, that's your new ASMR competition. No, AI is taking over. Wee. Did you see news? Smash the hype train record? I was there, actually. I was watching it. That was so insane. Chat got it to like 126 almost. That was so cool, man. That was actually really fucking cool. Especially because people were like whining about it. Like non-VTubers and normies are like, oh man, how can an AI smash that record? It doesn't even have to be live. And then Swarm was like, you know what? Watch us do it again. W for them. It's me and people. You are such a hater all the time. Oh my god, trust this PC. Well, my PC clanker is being a little annoying. But I hope stream is gonna be fine regardless. Even though right now it's not looking good for us. Let me see. What could be the reason the TTS is not picking up? Should I restart it and update? Let me just restart the program real quick. So I'm doing it again just on a spy with somebody. Honestly, it's crazy. It's crazy what a community can do. Honestly, I was really hyped sitting there because the closer it got to level 23, people were just like speeding through it. I think it went for like a couple hours. I think the hype train started like when I was still live because I was like, oh, NEURO has like a spike in views, so they're probably doing like a hype train. And then after stream, I checked it out and it was going insane. I was also like watching others' reaction to it. I think Asmongold had the stream open because he was like doing a live reaction. It was kind of funny to see. Parasocial streamers, parasocial. Huh? Why am I parasocial? Okay, let's see. The Swarmer is scary, man. It's so cool though. It's so cool to see what like just a single project that sparked from nothing but a pre-made model can actually do. Like how far it's come. Like I said, I knew of NEURO back when she was made, but it didn't follow the whole thing closely. Only until recently, I kind of got wind of it again when the Minecraft project got big, because I love that kind of content. And then, like, just seeing all the records and stuff, it's super cool. It's really cool to see you. They're so coordinated. Yeah, I saw them on my Twitter too, because recently I've been getting more like Swarm community stuff, especially because I was participating in the contest and liking memes and stuff like that of it. So yeah, I've been getting a lot more rid of it. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I knew no. Shut up. No, I'm saying like seeing the project be from something so small turn into something so huge. It is nice to see, especially because VTubing is like still kind of niche. I mean, it's way more mainstream now than it was, obviously, but it's still niche. Not everyone gets it, you know. Oh, thank you for the wait, my alerts are not working. Is that the reason? Thank you for the raid. Welcome, Makong. Hello. It's a bird, it's a plane. No, it's Nimbus Nation. Hi, welcome Nimbus Nation. Welcome to the stream. I hope you had a fun stream. Welcome Ryan. Hello Mukong. Welcome Vampire. Hi Sushi. Welcome. I don't know, my stream is a little scuffed today, guys. Hold on. Maybe it's demon time. Maybe I should just do this. Welcome, hold on. I am so not coordinated right now today. Yeah, sometimes my stream is a little scuffed. But I haven't had a nice time. Mods, can we get a shout out? Can we get a little shout out in chat, please? In the meantime, I'm trying to fix. Do you have all the alert sources added to the art screen? I do. I have the TTLs. It's all open as well. Today, hi Boyo, hi Ivy Diggs. Shut up. Art looks super cute, thank you. It's still like a rough sketch. I cleaned it up a little bit yesterday. And today I hope to have like an actual flashed out version of this. Hi kiddo! Mina is consistently streaming? What? It's a 2026 miracle, I told you guys. But what's not very miracle-y is my program being a little scuffed. Have you done your daily preach to ward against the tech bugs? I have not. I was slacking. However, guys, I ate before stream. Oh my god, I'm not gonna be starved. We finally had a little bit of 7 p.m. breakfast. Yeah, I don't think it's working. Maybe I'll change the playlist to something more upbeat. Where's my white girl 2010 playlist? Hold on. Maybe we need something more poppy. Let's see. Oh wait, that's actually reminding me of. This reminds you of the karaoke with us. Wah 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 wah. White Girl 2010, that's the gym playlist. It's so good. Also, I have some cold drink on my desk. So today I'm gonna be super high energy, hopefully, and not fall asleep after 2 hours. Although I was so fucking surprised because of the lyrics. Let me turn this down a little. Okay, I think we just have to roll without the alerts, guys. I'm sorry. I don't know why it's not working. We're just gonna have to do without it. Hi, Tibet. Welcome. Also, guys, if there's like people in here, if there's swarm in here, I need your help sometimes. Wait, my tablet is. Hold on, my tablet is cooked. I watched your VOD of New York Eve. Oh, you mean the highlights? I nuked the VOD. No one's seen that shit. I'm changed forever now. Oh. What the fuck did I do? My mouse got crazy. No. Wait. Oh no, what's happening? No. What? I only scrolled a little. Oh my god, wait, no! It's Eva! She's coming out of the screen! It's a bum. Wait, this is not good. My tablet is not working right now. Oh my god, why is it only when I go live? Things never seem to work. Why is it whenever I go live, everything breaks? Okay, let me plug it in again. She's in my PC now. I mean, she's cute. She can stay. For some reason though, everything breaks as soon as I go live. It's a curse that I just have to live with. It sucks. TTS isn't working. Perhaps the pin should be changed. Scamina? Yeah. Hold on. Let's unpin that. Wait, one thing after the other. I'm so stressed right now. Okay, hold on. Let me see if this works now. It doesn't. Did I change anything? Auto scroll, zoom. Oh, this is terrible. Maybe it's the program. Hold on, let me save it. Oh no! Okay, one second. Recent. Okay, I cannot misclick here. Yeah, this sucks a little. I have to fix it later, but it'll do, I guess. Auto scroll and then maybe change the sensitivity. Body. Tip functions. Okay, I almost have it, chat. Almost have it. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'm just crazy. Okay, I'll just use this. VTuber scam. Oh man. Okay. Cool. Can you unpin it today? We'll just have to, I guess, not use it. Because it's not working. I'll try to figure it out after stream. But I'm not feeling this either. Maybe I need my anime playlist. You know what? I think that's it. We do this one. Okay, let's just go with this. Let's just roll this. She's so cute. Teacher wants to keep her in class next year. Failing her just for that. Oh, this feels terrible. Usually my tablet zooms in like very fast. I'm kind of reconsidering if I have to restart stream, like my PC. But I kind of don't want to do that. Am I downloading anything? No. Okay. Last attempt. I will just task manager close it. I think that should do it. Okay. Task manager untask and then Wacom, tablet servers and task. And task. and task. And more. One more time. And task. Okay, hopefully now it works. Okay, now I do the tablet thingy again. Mobile data? I'm not on data. I actually made sure to turn it off before I stream. I was at 6-7 points. Shut up. Okay, now. Is that working? No! Chat! Can you send me the tech wizards, please? I need them right now. I need them right now. Come central. Clicked OK to restart the driver. Okay. Hi Specky Room! Welcome! How you doing, Scrummy? Holy Jagos! 30 streams! You're so in love with me, Parasocial. Pro streamer. I'm dying! Okay, what about now? Is that working? No! No! Click OK, but I already clicked OK! Do I have to restart my PC? I might have to. Welcome driver? No? What did I do? No, not this night. Welcome utility? Is it working now? It's not. What's happening? Well, I can draw, but I can't do anything else. Okay, guys. I will restart right now and I'll be back and then everything is gonna be so cool and fun because everything will work. I'll make sure of it before I start stream, okay? Don't go anywhere. Leave the tab open and restart it in like a couple of minutes, okay? I will ping you again. I will be screaming in chat when I'm live again, okay? I'll just need to restart my PC real quick. Hold! No, I'm going anywhere. Okay, I'm gonna be back. I'm just gonna restart. I'm gonna restart it. One second.